One trend making its way into, the late summer, early fall is ruffles. You can see behind me I have a ruffle dress. This one's from Forever 21. I have this longer ruffle dress from DKNY, and I have this ruffle top over here from Bebe. I remember actually in high school, and we're going back to the early 90s, I used to wear the ruffle poet shirts. So it's really fun seeing ruffles really make their way back into collections right now. You go on websites like J. Crew, Banana Republic, you'll see a lot of their collection has this really elegant ruffle touch to it. One thing I love about this middle dress is that the whole dress itself doesn't have these tiers of ruffles. And for me especially, I think this is so beautiful. It reminds me very much of tiers on a cake. These, consistent tiers of ruffles over here. But just going back again to this middle dress, it really just has this simple statement of ruffle right down the center. You'll see a lot of tops like that right now. I just did my TJ Maxx and Marshalls makeovers. There's a ton of tops right now for the fall with just this very simple ruffle right down the front. This top over here, again, just like this yellow dress, it really does remind me of tiers on a cake. It's just a feminine, elegant, delicate touch. So if you're looking for a really good trend to add into your fall wardrobe, grab some pieces with ruffles. It's fun, it's feminine, and you know what? It just really, it brings you back. I mean, a lot of us were in high school when, the poet ruffle shirts were hot. And here it is, we're coming back to those days. So enjoy. I'm loving this ruffle trend, I really am.